Hi guys, this is Rafthelsa right here in the beach or the seaside of Limassol, Cyprus. I'm just walking here just to capture the beauty of the Limassol beach. Look at there. So let's take a look the beauty of the Limassol coffee shop. So let's have a walk. So guys, the Capinio is in my right side. Coffee shop. So let's see the view here. So let's take a look. So this is one of the tourist area here in the seaside. You can find a coffee shop over there in my backside. Many people there, especially the senior citizen. You see the water from the sea is very relaxing, and the rocks are very big. So come on guys, let's have a walk. Maglakad tayo from the seaside here. Slowly lang. So look at here, this is the rocky stone from the seaside. Masarap maligo dito guys at mag-picnic. Dati dito kami kumakain pag day off. We just bring our own food and we'll stay here, and at the same time we can go for swimming there. Maglakad-lakad guys. Walking. This is my last day here in Cyprus guys. That is why I come here just to capture, do vlogging, because I want to share with you the beauty of Cyprus. And look at here, another beautiful sculpture here. So let's have a picture and vlog in this area. Look at it here. Oval. May picture na ako dito guys. I think before 10 years, I had a picture here. Standing there. You can see there is a ship over there. Nagbibit-bit pa ako ng supot ko guys dahil galing pa ako sa bahay. So yan, that is the globe. So beautiful. So let's take a look. Let's turn para makita nyo ang view ng Limassol Beach in Cyprus. walang tao. Mag-unmask muna tayo guys kasi parang hindi na ako makahinga. I cannot breathe. Whew, how many hours with the mask? So guys, that is the globe. Oh, yung dalawang barko dyan ay kasyang-kasya. To the left and to the right. Left and to the right. Two ships inside of the globe. Ikot-ikot lang tayo guys. Hindi na ako bababa guys kasi malalim dito, oh, malalim. Nahirapan ako bumaba at saka umakyat. Mahirap na nga ang medyo tumaba na kasi mihingal. So ikot na lang tayo guys. So guys, thank you for watching this vlog. Rafthelsa Vlogs on tour in Cyprus. Marami pa rin mga turista dito. There are still many tourists coming here. The other side, there is a big ship also here. Zoom natin guys, zoom. Zoom natin ang globe. May turista din sa likod ko guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, share and share this video and subscribe to Rafthelsa Vlogs Exploring Cyprus. Bye bye. Auf Wiedersehen.